Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the blue screen of death on Windows 11. First, completely shut down your computer. After that, unplug all external devices connected to your PC. This includes USB drives, printers, webcams, external hard drives, and any other accessories. Keep only your keyboard and mouse connected. Sometimes faulty devices or drivers can cause blue screen errors. Now turn your computer back on and check if the issue still happens. Next, open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scano and press Enter. This tool scans your Windows system files and automatically repairs damaged or missing files. Wait for the scan to finish completely. After that, type dsm/online/cleanupimage//restore health and press Enter. This command repairs the Windows image and fixes deeper system problems that the SFC scan may not repair. Now we will check the hard drive for errors. Type CHKDSK/C:/F and press Enter. If your Windows drive uses a different letter, replace C with that drive letter. This command scans the drive and fixes file system errors. Press Y if it asks to restart and test. Once all steps are completed, restart your PC and check if the blue screen problem is fixed. Thanks for watching.